Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a architecturally designed house that has all the luxury and comfort of a modern home. This 12,600 square feet property is located in the Garden Parish of St. Anne and also sits above the luxurious Gulf neighborhood of Upton. It is the ultimate in Jamaican estate living, majestic ocean views, lush and fruited gardens, the constant trade winds. Entertainment and recreational areas are all easily accessed without disturbing the peaceful residents. There is a swimming pool, gaming room, outdoor decks, bar and gazebo, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, great dining room, two formal living rooms, plus TV room, large kitchen, spacious laundry. Among the other amenities are water storage tanks, security cameras, helpers' quarters to accommodate staff of 4, and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
something spooky I do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I do for you. I'm just trying to give you something.
The asking price for this house is US 1.1 million or Jamaican $169.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.